money, 1,000 rupees note stacked on. I will be crying, sad life. I
So
will be
so
like that.
so in that time, hi ma'am. Hello,
Hold
hi.
on. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm all right, I believe. I've been
You
better.
you believe me? You are not good.
Yeah, you see, I've been using my laptop too much that my eyes are all very stressed.
Okay, okay, yeah. It
Hmm.
sometime it happened. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
it happens sometime. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Anyways, how have you been,
I
Shahid?
have been good, ma'am. I have been good. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, okay. So, what were you
Yeah.
doing all day?
Nothing special, ma'am. Today I talked with two, three friends, and I talk with I do practice with them.
Oh,
I
that's
did
great.
practice with them, ma'am.
I do practice with them is also correct because you do practice, right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
do
Yes.
practice with them. How do you have a group or something where you practice together?
Yes, I have a small group, you can say, and it's Instagram. So we do practice.
Ah, oh wow. Okay, video call practice.
Yes, sometime we do video call, and sometime we do voice call, ma'am, audio call.
Okay, that's great. So, are they also able to improve their English? Are you mentoring them?
Means what? Mentoring me?
Mentoring them as in, are you guiding them? Are you giving them
No,
tips
no,
and all that?
no, ma'am. We just practice each other. Means,
With each
both.
other.
Yeah, we are just practice. Sometimes they teach to vocabulary. Sometimes I will give him some vocabulary. So it's balanced, you can say.
Okay, that is good. That is great, right? And I think these groups and Facebook groups and Instagram groups is very helpful for people who cannot afford platforms like Clapping Go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
That is true. Anyways, did you check the document out for the day, Shahid?
Yes, I have checked it.
I had.
I have checked it. I had checked it.
I had checked it or I have checked it. Checked it. I had checked it. Yeah.
Okay, I had checked it. Right?
I had checked it. No.
I had checked that.
Checked it. Yes, I had checked it. You had
Okay,
checked it in the past. Yeah, you're talking about past. Even I have
okay,
checked it in the past. Yeah. Yes, I have
okay.
in the recent
So,
past.
so it is HAD or it is HAV?
Both, whatever you want to say, but it should be checked, not check.
Yes, yes, checked. Okay, ED. Yeah, checked.
Checked. Ed.
I have
Right.
checked it. I have checked
Checked it.
it.
Checked it.
Yeah, sometimes my
So
pronunciation is not correct about ED. I wanted
yeah,
to say
yeah.
ED, but it's sometimes,
Yeah, I
yeah.
have noticed it before. Yes, yes. Right. So today's topic is business ideas.
Okay, ma'am.
And there's an extempore before that. Two options. Option A, is it better to be influential or rich? Option B, parents should not choose their child's career. Which
Okay.
one are you going to go with?
I think first one.
Go on.
So means about is it better to be influential or rich?
Yes.
So according means I can how can I explain? Means I can explain about uh, means rich
Anything.
person or inefficient person means
Anything,
either
like
from
whatever you want to tell me.
influential person. Okay, okay.
Influential.
So I think better to be rich person rather than influential person, because
Hmm.
if you are rich, so you can hire influential person.
Ah, that's true. For what?
Yeah, for means if you have if you start your business from on your money, so you can hire influential person. So yeah, you can do you can uh, yeah, you can hire that person, and uh, you can enhance your business with you can enhance your business. And if you are rich, so you don't have any problem.
Mm-hmm,
you do,
mm-hmm.
you will not have any problem. You will
Mm-hmm.
you don't have stress. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am. You
Mm-hmm.
don't have depression type of feeling. So
Mm-hmm.
you will happy always if
You
you are rich.
will?
You will be happy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You will be happy if you are rich.
That's but is it true though? Because sometimes we see there's some people they got all the money in the world, but they're not happy in their life. Maybe they are, but there are some aspects of their life where something's lacking. So can
Yes.
money buy everything? What do you think?
No, money can't buy everything, but money can give money can fulfill our need, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Money can fulfill our desire as well, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So
Hmm.
if you have money, so you don't have a problem means something. You can adjust very well. You can adjust. You can comfortable about your money. You can whatever you want. Means suppose you want to go anywhere, so you can go easily.
That's true.
Mm.
That's actually true. However, still, I don't think, see, because of the pandemic, we saw a lot of things. Yeah, rich people struggling to get a bed or to get a seat in the, I mean, to get a room in the I mean, hospitals. Yeah, so it's almost like at that point of time, money was literally useless.
Mm.
Yeah, for a short period of time in India, especially, we witnessed it.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's also that.
Yes, ma'am. True. So,
That's the thing.
ma'am, if suppose if someone you will give you two things, one is happiness, second is
Money, money, money,
money.
money, money, money,
You
money.
choose money.
No doubt about that.
Not what about.
See, if you get, like you said, if you get money, see, if you get money, I will buy a supercar and I will get happiness. Yeah. If I get money, if I have illness or if my parents have illness or if my loved ones have illness, I can treat them. By that, happiness. Yeah.
Okay.
We
Yes.
cannot buy life, but we can buy everything other than that.
Yes.
Also,
True.
relationship we
Because
cannot buy, or other than that we can. Although we deny no money doesn't give you everything, at the end of the day, it's very essential. Yeah. See, if we are just
nowadays it's
praying nowadays, yeah, very essential.
very essential. True. True. Absolutely, ma'am.
What about you? What will you choose? Oh,
I
money.
will.
I know. Again, like
You
Shahid.
know.
Even if you say happiness, also, I know.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
I also choose money because nowadays I requirement money. So definitely I will go with the money.
Everybody, yes, requires
Because
money.
if I will have money, then I will be happy, I think, right?
Yes. At the end of the day, what is happiness? Having good health, yeah? Having a
Hmm.
good house, or not even a good house, a basic house. So if we don't have these both and we only have happiness, what do we have? We don't have anything. We need
Yes.
money to bring that. We need good health, and for that we need good food. For that we need money.
Yeah, we need money. If you absolutely, ma'am. If you will go good health, if I will good health, so definitely uh I will arrange a apple, orange. So that kind of means item. How we will buy if I don't have money? So definitely, if I will have money, then I will buy from that stuff. Means like
Yes, that's the thing. To have a healthy life, you need to have money. That's the thing.
yes,
See, when we look at the slums, even this slum, people who live in the slums in poor condition, even they're happy in their lives. The small, small things. Yeah,
mm,
but does it give them a good quality of life? No, they deserve better. They deserve, the children deserve better nutrition. The children deserve a good bed to sleep in. For that, we need money.
yes, absolutely.
That's the thing. Right, that was good.
Okay, ma'am. Now just I turn this question. Okay, if you will choose money, so
Mm-hmm.
you can't be happy. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and there's happiness. If you will choose happiness, so you will not buy money. Okay, so what
Okay.
you will choose now?
So if that happiness as in as long as my loved ones are healthy and they're all right, I will be sad on my bed of money, 1,000 rupees note stacked on. I will be crying, sad life. I
So
will be
so
like that.
So in that time, what you will choose? In that time, also you can choose money.
As long as my people are all right, I'm a very selfless person. I don't really care about my own it's all about my people around me. If they're happy, if they are okay in their life, I would rather cry on the bed of notes with all the money I have than anything
Okay.
else.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
And at the end of the day, we know money
Mhm.
is happiness at the end of the day. Yeah.
Yes. At the end of the day, money is
Mm.
happiness.
No matter how much we deny, even people are gonna say, "Oh no, no, she's very, very, greedy." No, it's not. That's not the case. We have to have a realistic approach to life. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes.
do you think?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. You are right.
Hmm. That's the thing. What about you? What will you choose then? Okay,
No,
if someone's offering you a lot of money, but you cannot be happy in your life, but everyone else will be happy in your life. But on the other hand, you can be all happy that you want, all the happiness you'll get in the world, but you have to sleep on the streets. What will you choose?
in that time, I choose. But you miss. Here is the condition. Miss, I'm not happy only. Okay, but
Uh,
other people, he will be happy. They
yeah,
will be
yeah, yeah,
happy.
yeah.
Oh my God! Now you are given very.
Everybody around will be happy but you.
But I am crying, day every
Yeah.
day. Okay.
You'd
So
rather be on the streets?
so hard. It's so hard to choose. But maybe I am also choose money. Yeah,
Mm-mm.
because
Maybe,
of me,
maybe. Mm-hmm.
I will choose money that time because if as people because me they will happy, so it is also good.
Isn't it? That's what my point. That's my point is that, yeah.
True,
That's the
true.
thing. If you have all the money, but your people are not happy, then what is life?
Mm. Yes,
For
this
me,
that is not.
yeah. See, you save up all the money in the world. Yeah, you're saving up all your savings. What are you saving it for? Yes, you need a better future. But if you don't use that money to bring happiness into your people, what are you doing with your life? What do you think?
No, so that life is worthless life, I think. If we will not do for someone, so that life is not good, I think.
Exactly. That's what I think as well. Right. So that was a long discussion about money. So the main topic of the day, the evening is business ideas.
Yes. Business idea. Okay. Which kind of idea do you want, ma'am?
Anything, anything. Tell me, what
Do
kind of
you
business do
think
you have in the mind?
ma'am, means in future you want to start any kind of business?
Yes, 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 yes,
Which kind
yes.
of business, ma'am, do you want to
Something
start?
related to eatery, food related business.
Or you want to open restaurant in future?
Yeah, and not a big restaurant, a small shop
A small
where
shop.
where I will only sell only one item. And for
Okay.
that one item, people should travel from around the country to come there.
Okay.
What about
Okay.
you? Hmm.
Okay. In future, I think, I think about open a shop, children
I
kids,
think
ma'am.
about one small. I think
I
about
will open. I will open. I think I will open in future. Uh, kids, shop, ma'am. Kids shop. You can say kids
okay.
clothes. Kids clothes, ma'am. Yeah.
Oh, what market do you see in it?
In my son, in my area where I live, so here is some market. I think 2-3 kilometer far away. So I will open from there.
No, what kind of a business opportunity do you see in kids clothing? Why kids clothing? Why are you choosing that?
Oh, why? Okay, that is your point. Okay, so actually, ma'am, if I think because 1 to 10 year children, they will, ma'am, they didn't decide to what we will choose, what we will, which cloth we
They
will choose.
can't decide, yeah.
They can't decide. His parent decide about, yeah, you can this you can take this cloth, so it will good for you.
Yeah, it
So
will look
so
good on you.
that children automatically will choose that stuff, right?
Yes.
That's why, because
Oh.
yeah, that's the reason behind, because uh, parents, they will, if you will purchase, if you will open means uh, more than 20 people, any kind of menswear you can open. So they have lots of requirement.
Yeah.
So they have means they came, if they came, if they will come our shop, so they will say, no, no, this is not I like. No, I will go another shop. So, but
Yeah.
then will come. So his parent, he has decided. He will
Yeah.
sorry, he will decided. Yeah, you can choose this one. So
He will
automatically,
decide. He will decide.
yeah, he will decide, ma'am. Yes, he will
Hmm.
decide.
So the parents decide what the children should wear. No,
Yes,
no, not too long of, they won't spend too long choosing this,
yes,
that, yeah. Yeah, they'll just
yes.
pick one that's what we're gonna wear and then they just go, buy and go.
Yes, go. Yes, ma'am. True.
Yeah,
That's
that's a good point actually.
yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.
I never
And
thought about it like that.
okay, so you have mentioned about you open food shop. So
Yeah.
when will you open your food shop, ma'am?
I actually wanted to open this a long while ago, but then I started working, so I couldn't. So now that the
Okay,
pandemic kicked in, so my job, I work as a resort manager in Odisha, and I don't think it's going to open back anytime soon.
hmm,
So meanwhile, maybe I can start a small shop where I
okay,
only sell one item. That could be
hmm,
anything. That could be a snack. That could be a chicken fry. That could be something, but only one item.
okay.
One
Only
item.
one item you
Yeah,
have.
only nothing else you will get, only one item.
Okay, okay, that's
So
good.
again, like you mentioned, I don't want to give them options. This, that. Only one. If you want, you buy and go. That's it.
Yes, that is good.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. That's the thing. That's what. It's a good. It's just a good idea.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am.